Alright, update on the 77 C10. The block has been added. He's got the new calipers and the brake pads and new brake hoses on the front. And you see the small block is in, it's painted, and a few things left to hook up, but essentially rebuilt engine. It's a 350, brand new carburetor, brand new water pump, and then we'll reuse the power steering and the alternator. He freshened up the engine bay, got all this stuff cleaned up and painted black. I've got to do some work on this heater box. You can see right through it, so got to figure out if I'm going to fix that or replace that. I've not been able to find one of those online, so yeah, that's going to be an issue. But we'll figure out something there. And aside from that, this thing's really about ready to go. So plan is to go ahead and get this thing loaded up, get it back to the other shop. So I'm take care of the rest of the logistics on it and start on the metalwork. Fenders, as you see in the previous video. Doors, you saw those in the previous video. And you know the deal with the floor inside. So we got to get there and take care of getting the floor situated. And we'll take care of the bed arches back there at the back. Camper top's going up for sale. I believe there's guys already interested in that. Don't know they're putting the Cheyenne 10 badges back on. Yeah, they probably won't make it back on the new fenders, but that's okay. None of the gold trim's going back. There's actually a guy that's going to purchase all that for his truck. And we will fix that signal light that's upside down. So that's the quick where we're at, what's going on there on the C10. From time to time I get questions. People ask me about the 67 Chevelle, aka Project Motivation. So if you guys were wondering, sitting here patiently waiting for its turn in line. That is the C6 blue that you see there with the Glamour Clear or Speed Coat. So this is the C6 blue, the Speed Coat Glamour Clear, and if you're wondering why you can't see any definition in the lights, it's because they have diffusers in them. So yeah, they're just they're opaque because they're LEDs. So that's why you don't see anything on the pattern. The paint came out really good on this thing. You guys have seen previous videos of it. So just to give you an idea, there's one little area right there where I had a sag. I never buffed that back out, so I got to polish that out. But you can look at the side of the car and tell how clear it really is. So anyway, there's your update there on the Chevelle. Everything's still under there ready to hit the road whenever we finish up the stuff on the brakes, which we have a plan forward on that. I will do that video about the plan on this car when it's time to bring this one back up. Right now, the focus is on that guy over there. So I'm going to go get the trailer. So we get this thing loaded up, get ready to head out of here over to the other shop. This is the block shop, by the way. So yeah, Chevelle truck. And that is the Quiet Storm 76 Corvette. Anyway, we're going to go get this loaded up, get it out of here, get it back to the other shop so we can continue finishing up what else needs to be done on this one and get it ready for the road. My name's Erwin. This 3 Wheels in a Block. We're giving back, but time is taken away. We'll see you soon.